Hello everyone, this is UR15CSC53 Prabhav Sharma, and this is my first question of Java programming lab. And the question which I have got that I have to make a Floyd triangle such that on each row and length column there should be numbers according to that. Like on the row 1 there should be one element, on row 2 there should be two, and row 3 there should be three element. So I am going to make the coding of that question is, you can see in my coding, what I'm doing is I'm starting with my simple package example one, which is my question which I can take from the library file of this Eclipse Neon. Then starting with the import Java util and starting with the public class question, where I'm declaring that my class as question number one as my question number one. Then as usual syntax of Java, we go with public static void main. Then I'm using scanner to input my values. Then I'm using system.out.println so that in output the user can see what is the size of the triangle he has to enter. And I'm using the basic concept, this is the logic of this question, as size equal to size, and I'm using here of running a for loop. In for loop, it will based on the Floyd that number of rows. If the user enters 5, so he will get a triangle in the form of 5. So if I run this program, and here you can see this is saying that I have to enter the size of a triangle. So I was saying that if I enter 5, so I'm getting here 5 rows according to my values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this was my first question. Moving to my, sorry for the interruption. Moving to my question number 2, it says that I have to enter a binary number, and my code should be such so that binary number can change it into the decimal equivalent of the binary number which I have entered. So let's look into the coding and the logical part of my program. As usual, I will start by the importing the file ut and inputting an output in Java, then stating as the public class question number 2 as my question number 2 in my Java programming, and starting with the common syntax of the Java programming as public static void main. Here I am also inputting the value using the scanner file. Then I'm using the binary values as double deck and k because I'm entering the values in the binary format. Then I will be using system.out.println, where the output will show enter a binary number because the user doesn't know what to go. So this thing will help the user so that he can enter a binary number. Then this is the logic which I'm using here. What does this logic does this changes the binary number into the number. So how it does this, I'm using an integer binary file which using a for loop and if loop which can easily form in a Java library file format. So this is the main cheese. This deck is equal to deck plus math.pow. This is the thing which is helping me to convert my binary number into a decimal equivalent. Now if I run my program, so let's see, look into the program. It's saying enter a binary number. So let's say I enter 110, and 110 is equivalent to 6. So yes, I'm getting the output at 6, which is a decimal equivalent of my input. So these were the two questions of my first program. Hope you liked it. Was continue to form so.